you know why we celebrate Dasara festival? With what intent did you celebrate the Dasara festival? Hello everyone, welcome to Fitter Body Leads to Fitter Mind and Happy You. I am Dr. Rashmi. Wish you all belated Vijayadashmi or Dasara festival season. Let's understand what is the intent behind this festival celebration of Dasahara. Here is the story. Rama was an exiled prince of Ayodhya. While in exile, he lived in a forest with his brother Lakshmana, wife Sita. One day, Sita was abducted by Ravana, the demon king of Lanka. Rama, assisted by army of monkeys, and Lakshmana attacked Ravana to rescue Sita. There was a big fight between Ravana and Rama, where Rama found it very difficult to fight the battle. So he prayed for 9 days to 9 different aspects of Durga and accumulated enough strength to fight Ravana and win a battle over him. So Dasahara celebrates win of Rama over Ravana, and it is spread across 10 days. There is also another way of looking at this Dasahara celebration. Dasahara is a Sanskrit word which means Dasa means 10 and Hara means destroying these 10 bad characters within us. So what are these 10 qualities we all have within? Number 1, Ahankara. It means ego. The minute you start feeling you are more important than everything else around you, that is when your ego is very high. It becomes a challenge for you to even say sorry when you know you are wrong in many situations. Number 2, Amanavata means cruelty. Cruelty is a behavior which causes physical, emotional or social harm to another person. This may be with an intention or without it. You use harsh words in your communication. It might be hurting the other person. 3, Anyay, injustice. Injustice means lack of justice. So here is the example. You know you are partial between two people, even when you are aware that both of them have same abilities or same qualities or same dedication to work. 4, Kama Vasana, that is lust. So when you have very high sexual desire, that is called lust. So when you are doing something, if your intent is to get what you need in any relationship, that is when it becomes a bad quality. 5, Krodh. Krodh means anger. So whenever you get angry with intent or without intent, or you try to take out your anger from some other situation to the helpless person. 6, Lobha. Lobha means greed. There is an intense and selfish desire for something, especially wealth, power. So here's an example. You have enough money to survive and live through your life, but still you're having so much greediness, you start accumulating for 10 more generations of your family. 7, Mada. Pride. Pride is a feeling of deep pleasure or satisfaction derived from their own success. And they feel that I have achieved something so big and so massive that everybody else's achievement looks very low or less valued by the person. 8, Matsara. Matsara means jealousy. Matsara is a feeling where you are not happy with someone else's achievement or success. 9, Moha. Moha means attachment. Attachment towards any person or anything would make you more affectionate, fondful, and sympathetic towards that person's behavior. So you tend to ignore a lot of the mistakes that the person does just because you are attached to the person. Please don't get confused between attachment and your love. 10. Swarth. Swarth means selfishness. Swarth means lacking consideration for other people and others' needs. And you're constantly focused on your own benefit or pleasure. A simple example that I can give you is when you are standing in a huge queue for a water, then you are so focused on getting the maximum out of the situation for yourself rather than considering the other people standing behind you in the queue. During Dasara celebration, the intent of beheading Ravana, who has 10 heads, means we remove these 10 bad qualities in each one of us which we have accumulated through the year. When we do fasting in these 9 days of Navaratri, we had to let go of these bad qualities with fasting so that we can have a better year ahead of us. On the 10th day, we celebrate Vijayadashami festival. Once you have fasted for 9 days and let go of all these bad qualities within us, then we celebrate the win over these qualities and celebrate the victory of our life. With this, I hope you have understood why we celebrated Dasara by killing Ravana, who had 10 heads, and we need not believe only Ravana was bad. Each one of us who have these qualities within us at some point or the other will have Ravana within us. I hope this video has helped you to understand and have victory on your own Ravana within you and celebrate Vijayadashami every day. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Take care. Keep smiling. See you soon.